Now I want to add another video. Just remember that editing a video is something like a puzzle. You just add little pieces, piece by piece, to create one long video. And this is what we're doing here in this project. So I will just position myself with the playhead on the end of the video where I want to add another one, and I will go and press plus. Here I am back in the gallery. In the gallery I will pick another video. Let's say this is the video that I want. What happened is, you see, it added it in the end of this first video. Now, as you can see, we have a little bit of an issue here. There are two different frame rates. This one was filmed vertically, and this video was filmed a bit horizontally in a 1x1 frame, so square frame. And what we see is that my frame for my video here is actually vertical. What if I don't want a vertical video? What am I going to do? I'm going to choose a different ratio here. You see, I can always pick what kind of a frame do I want this video to be in the end. And this is where I go. I click ratio, and I go and I pick something that I like. So we're going to go and see what we have. We have 9x16, that is a TikTok version. And then we have a square, which is Instagram. Then we have 16x9, we have 4x3, and then we have some other options. What we're going to choose right now to learn as much as we can is we're going to pick a YouTube version. This is what it is, 16x9. And now you see what happens. We have this video. We have video that was filmed in the vertical mode, as we learned in the first video. What we can do is we can crop it, we can extend it. It even says use both fingers to resize your video. And as you can see, we have a little bit of an issue because the video was filmed vertically and we have a lot of black space on left and right. We're going to have to extend it, and we're going to have to be creative what we're going to do. In this case, I'll just show you what happens. So as you can see, when I'm cropping the video to resize it into my new ratio, into my new frame, of course we're going to go and say OK down here because we accepted the YouTube or widescreen. We're going to now have to again mark it to be able to move it or crop it or extend it. Let's say I'm going to put it like this. There's not much we can do. This is just for demonstrational view. And let's check what happened. This is what happened. The video is now aligned to the YouTube frame, to the wide shot, wide screen. But we have this one that also has the same issue, as you can see. And even this one, we're going to have to extend, we're going to have to fill this frame with this video. There are always other options. You can always use something to, let's say, I could put this video, if I want to keep this video in the same size as it is, I could move it on this side. And then I could put some text over here. Maybe I write something here, or I add a photo or something. There's always that option. Just make sure that the edges are not, that you're making sure that it goes a little bit over the edges down here. Otherwise it's going to be a small black line up here and down here. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to use this video and we're going to add some text over here. Okay, so now we know how to crop and how to frame ratio, how to pick the frame ratio for the video. We are going to check something else. We have many options down here. Just remember that if you want to work on this certain video, you have to mark it. You have to go down on a timeline and mark it, and then you get all these options down here that you could work on this video. There are many options that you can use, many features that you could use.